Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so you can use the internet while blocking calls. Turn on Wi-Fi and confirm the network password. This lets you keep data without cellular voice. Next, enable airplane mode to stop carrier calls, then re-enable Wi-Fi only. That disconnects the phone network but preserves internet. Once done, sign into apps that need internet. Make sure to keep your carrier SIM inserted if you rely on SMS for verification, but disable cellular data to avoid calls. Now refine call blocking so your internet use stays uninterrupted. Turn on Do Not Disturb and set it to silence calls and notifications. This prevents ringing while internet stays active. Disable Wi-Fi calling in phone settings so calls won't route over Wi-Fi. If your carrier offers call control, use it to block unknown or all incoming numbers. You can also install reputable call blocking apps to filter calls. Remember to grant only the permissions needed. Once configured, finish by validating everything works. Browse websites, stream video, and send messages to confirm internet functionality without calls. If you still receive calls, toggle airplane mode off then on, re-enable Wi-Fi only, and double-check Wi-Fi calling is turned off. This resets network routing. Make sure emergency call capability and SIM removal procedures are understood before prolonged use. If problems persist, contact your carrier to disable voice service temporarily. One tip: if unexpected calls return, reinsert SIM or reboot, then repeat the Wi-Fi only setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.